So if you come across a coin like this, the last thing you want to do is spend it. Why? Because this one little penny sold for $1,800, and I'm going to tell you exactly why in this video. Really quick, if you want to learn more about coins, grading, values, conditions, I have a completely free ebook. All you got to do is enter your email address. I won't spam you or anything. I'll just send you this free ebook, but you really don't have to do that. All you got to do is keep doing your homework and research to find out why these coins are selling for so much, but I'm going to tell you exactly why this one little penny from 1967 sold for $1,800. So this coin was graded by NGC, a mint state 63, which is relatively low in the mint state grade. The best grading companies to grade your coins with are either NGC or PCGS, and this coin essentially was struck on a 10-cent planchet, which is it's one of my favorite types of error coins, because essentially the piece of metal this coin was struck on was the wrong planchet, and planchet just means piece of metal. Now, how do you know if you have one of these coins? First of all, you can see that the coin color is really wrong. You don't want to rely on just one thing, because if you rely on one thing, you could potentially get scammed and ripped off. For someone to try to replicate a coin like this, all they would need to do is shave down the edges of the coins and coat the coin with a different material that makes it look silver like this. But another way that's really going to help you figure out if you have a coin that was struck on a wrong planchet is if the coin weighs wrong. So essentially this coin weighs 2.2 grams. It's really important to know that 1967 Lincoln cent coins should weigh 3.11 grams. So this is significantly different in terms of the weight in grams, and it's something you really need to keep your eyes peeled for, because the last thing you want to be doing is selling a coin like this to someone who doesn't know what it's worth, or just spending it on accident. Do your homework, do your research, and also let me know below, what kind of coin do you have? Because I would love to know. Now on the screen you're going to see a video. If you want to make sure you're not missing any rare coins, make sure you click on that video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.